Hi guys, thank you for having me. Hi, I'm Dina. I am a co-founder of Wonderbuilds, and we supply roofing and insulation materials into construction industry. In this day and age, technology is unavoidable and it can be used in anything we do, create or use. And I think the recent COVID pandemic has showed all of us, even the people who were quite reluctant to use new technology and implement it in whatever they do. I think that showed us really well that it's a must. I also think that if businesses do not adapt new technologies, they might fall behind because everything is moving with such a fast pace that you have to keep up. As we obviously know from multiple books, cash is king, and without cash, businesses would fail. It is of the paramount importance to any business. I think one of the ways is to ensure that your companies, they get paid in a timely manner, and managing overdue invoices in the best way possible. I also think what's very important is balance, to find the right balance when one is chasing their late-paying customers. Well, late-paying customers are still customers, and at least in our company, we treat all the customers with respect and we value all of them. So it's important to find the right balance between, while kind of chasing the late payers. So with the right way of communication, with the right tone, with the right timing. The timing also has to be right. So it's a very sensitive, I would say, part of the business. So it has to be done with a correct approach. So I think that's one of the great things about Kolleno, that they just help you do just that. I also think that when one does research and tries to choose the right technology for their businesses, it's important that they pick the technology that integrates with their existing systems. So I think one of the greatest things about Kolleno is that they can be integrated with so many different various systems that businesses are already using. So I think I would definitely recommend.